Let's take a walk, friends, through the rest of this home. You can see the rest of this home. Here is the living area. Welcome, friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video located here in the Village of Amelia in the Villages, Florida. This is a cottage series home that is wood framed. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome, friends. This is the home that is for sale today. This is located in the Village of Amelia here in the Villages, Florida. This is a cottage series home, and it is located in the Village of Amelia. First thing I notice is the painted sidewalk that leads up to the front door. It has a cement driveway that is in very good condition. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Jill Buckley, if you want more information on this home. This home does have a 1.5 car garage, and it is a wood framed home. It has beautiful landscaping and a deep setback in the yard as well. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hi, Jill. Thank you for showing this home.
Welcome to 275 Mercer Way. We're in the Village of Amelia. It's an Austin model, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, $339. Wonderful back screened in Lanai that's raised up, vaulted ceilings, no popcorn, brand new roof. Come look around.
Okay, very good, Jill. Thank you. I will take a walk through the house. I will describe what I see. And the first thing I notice is these beautiful laminate floors. These are very nice, very neutrally decorated, high vaulted, actually cathedral ceiling in the living and dining room area here as well. Off to the left of the foyer area, you will see a bathroom and a bedroom. This would be considered the guest bathroom and bedroom area. The bathroom does have rolled vinyl floors. It has a shower and tub surround that appears to be made of fiberglass or plastic. It has one sink and wood cabinetry as well. It does have Formica countertops and knockdown texture on the ceiling. Off to the front of the home, you will see a guest bedroom with carpeting. This guest bedroom does have knockdown texture ceilings. That does appear to be a queen-size bed in this room, to give you perspective. As always, friends, I will video the specification sheet so you have an idea of the dimensions of these room sizes in this home. This home is located in the Village of Amelia, very near Sumter Landing. It does have a closet. That is the closet right there with bifold raised panel doors, and the carpeting extends into that closet as well. Let's take a walk, friends, through the rest of this home. You can see the rest of this home. Here is the living area.
And it is turnkey.
This is a turnkey home, so everything you see goes with it. Very nice. Here is the dining area. You can see the wood laminate floors continue through this cottage series home. Very nice, neutrally decorated. That is the kitchen area. It does have Formica countertops. It has a wonderful lanai, screened in lanai out the back of the home. Here is the specification sheet, friends, to give you an idea of what this home is. As always, friends, please contact a listing agent, Jill, if you have any questions. The list price of this home is $339,000. It is located in the Village of Amelia. The HOA fee, which is the amenity fee, is $195 per month here in the Villages, Florida. There are your room dimensions to give you an idea of the size of these rooms. As always, friends, please feel free to pause the video so you can get an idea of the size of the rooms. Here is the kitchen area. It does have rolled vinyl floors. Looks like it has polished stainless hardware on these cabinets. These cabinets are in beautiful condition. It has recessed lighting, Formica countertops. It does have a natural gas stove as well. This house is really well kept. Looking in from the kitchen off into that dining room area, you can see it has the great room concept. Next, friends, we will walk off into the garage. Let's take a look at the garage. The garage is located right off the kitchen area. Here is the 1.5 car garage. This Austin model has an extra deep garage. That's the nice thing about this Austin model cottage home. The cement floors in the garage are in great condition. It does have the laundry facilities in the garage. The mechanicals are located over there. And you can refer to the specification sheet to get the age of those mechanicals. That door will lead off into the back of the home. Let's take a walk out into the Lanai area. You will like this Lanai area. It is screened in. And you can tell that the elevation of this house is higher than your neighbors. So the rainwater will run away from this house. You do have a screened in lanai. This lanai is really big. Knockdown texture ceilings in this lanai. Your neighbors are not very close to you at all. I'll take a walk into the corner. This lanai, those patio doors will lead into the master bedroom, and we will take a walk there a little bit later. It does have painted cement floor in this lanai. Let's take a walk outside to this area here. Cement floors. You could put like a barbecue grill here. It does have steps. This is a corner lot as well. Take a walk down these stairs. I will walk to the corner of the lot. You can see this is the side of the home. And this is the back of the home. This home has a very large backyard. This is one of the largest backyards that I've seen. That is your home right there, located here in the Village of Amelia. It is a wood-framed home. It is a cottage series home located here in the Villages, Florida. It is an Austin model home. Let's take a walk in the home and look at that master bedroom. We'll take a walk back into the kitchen and dining area. We'll walk into the master bedroom next. Let's take a walk and see what the master bedroom looks like. The master bedroom is located in the back of the home. It does have carpeted floors. It is a turnkey home. It has knockdown texture on the ceilings. That appears to be a queen-size bed, friends, to give you perspective of the size of this home. Very light and bright home. I'll take a walk to this corner of the home. That is a queen-size bed, I believe. Light and bright room here in the master bedroom. Patio door looking off from the bedroom into the patio. Very nice. Here's the master bathroom. It does have rolled vinyl floors in the master bathroom. Has one bowl sink, beautiful wood cabinets, Formica countertop, knockdown texture ceilings. It does have a commode and shower room. Off to the left, you will see a walk-in closet with carpeting in this home. This home shows very well. Has wire rack shelves. The rolled vinyl floors continue into the commode room and shower room. That does appear to be a 48-inch shower. That is fiberglass or plastic. Seems to be in very good condition. There is no seat in that shower module. Okay, friends, let's back out of this home. And I will start walking out into the street. I will give you the directions of the street. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Thank you, Jill, for opening the door. As I walk out the front of the house, I will give you a panoramic view of the street. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Jill, if you have any questions. Front of the home is facing south, friends. The back of the home is facing north. I will do a panoramic view of the street. I know a lot of my subscribers want to see what kind of street this home is located on. Here we are. The front of the house is facing south, so that would be facing west. That is your home, friends, right there. Austin model cottage series home. List price $339,000. This is the street facing east. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for going on this home tour with me here in the Village of Amelia in the Villages, Florida. This is an Austin model cottage series home. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos.